We have Emil and Robert, and Emil just bought this beautiful house. And I want to ask you some questions. How did you first hear about us?
Well, my brother Emil has for a long time wanting to move out of his apartment, and we were like looking at rents that were unbelievably high in this area. And my sister Ann out in Long Island calls me one day and, why don't you look at a mobile home park? There's one in Carteret. And she told me about this, and I live about 2 miles, 3 miles down the road, and I hadn't even heard about you guys. So we took a ride over here, and lo and behold, we liked what we saw. And
how did she hear about us?
she heard about it on a computer. She got online and looked for mobile home parks in northern New Jersey.
Wow.
That's how she found us.
Okay.
And the rest.
So we have Ann to thank. That's
Yeah,
really...
She's the one that turned me on into looking at this place.
Okay.
And when we saw what it was all about, we really liked it.
So tell me why you were looking for a place. What was going on?
His lease expires at the end of January, and he was looking at another rent hike, and the way rents are right now, they just keep going up and up and up, and he wanted to get something more stable and something that belongs to him.
Okay. So what are you paying at the apartment you have right now in Rahway?
I'm paying $1,500.
Wow. And what are you going to be paying with the lot fee, which is the water and sewer, and the loan together? What's the...
We're going to be paying about $400 less, about $1,100.
That's a big savings.
Yeah, it is.
Vacation money? And tell us about the process. What was it like interacting with us through the COVID and email, and how did that run?
With COVID going on, it was a little different, I would imagine, from when normal, during normal circumstances. But I must say that Mrs. Dolan, Mrs. Maria Dolan, and Xanda were excellent people to work with, and we're really happy that we came across you guys.
Oh, we're very honored. We're very honored to have you join us, and it was a pleasure working with you guys. You were very polite and followed the process. We've been struggling with, we used to meet people in person, and now we're doing everything online. So we really appreciate how cooperative you were with that, because it's a little tough. And a lot of times we were working remotely, so we couldn't answer the phones, and all we had was email. And so thanks for working with us in that constriction, which is not our way, but you guys are really pleasant. And
thank you.
It was a pleasure to work together. And this is a beautiful congratulations day.
Thank you.
Very nice. Anything else you want to say about manufactured homes or the community? Or
These homes are, I couldn't believe when I first saw this, on the inside, I couldn't believe I was in a mobile home. It looks like my home.
oh,
It's beautiful. It really is beautiful.
very nice. Anything else, Emil, you want to say?
I want to just say that the ceiling fan is beautiful. I never had one.
Oh, very nice. And I saw you looking at the farm sink. That farm sink is really astounding. It's big as a baby's bathtub. I mean, it's got a lot of pieces to it, and it's got that big hose on the top. It's a real industrial looking pot filler. It's got so many uses. It turns, it pivots. It's really awesome. So I'm glad you saw that. And it comes with that cutting board and the grid and the colander, and then the protection in the bottom of the sink for the stainless steel not to get scratched.
Nice, very nice.
And
Very nice.
very exciting. You've never had a dishwasher before, so now he's got one.
Yeah.
Very nice. All right, well, thank you for letting us know your story. It's beautiful to share it with others.
Thank you.
Take care. Many blessings to you in your new house.
Thank you so much.